What's your advice to foreigners seeking a Filipino wife? What are the types of Filipinas should foreigners avoid? Where is the best place for a foreigner to find a good Filipino wife? Hi everyone, my name is Lorie and welcome to the Fuentes Family Channel. Today, we are in Tigaon, Bicol, Philippines to interview Filipinas themselves and ask what's their advice to foreigners seeking a Filipino wife. Let's find out. Enjoy the interviews. What's your advice to foreigners seeking a Filipino wife?
Don't trust the girl. I don't easy trust the girl na yung
Okay, don't trust Filipina easily, right?
yes po.
Okay. Why? Why do you think they shouldn't trust Filipinas easily?
Because some of them the gold digger.
Gold
Gold
diggers, gold diggers.
gold digger.
Okay, because some of them are gold diggers. Okay. Do you know anyone that is gold digger and she is in a relationship with foreigner, like a friend or family?
Hmm, no.
So where did you get the idea of Filipinas being gold diggers? Online?
Yes po.
Online. Okay, I see. Well, it is very common. A lot of people are talking about that. What's your advice to foreigners seeking for a Filipino wife?
Ang dapat pahanapon na itong sarap po itong mapagmahal, tapos may respect po. Bako lang po itong hihilingon niya itong may kwarta ini porket foreigner.
Hindi, ano yung advice mo sa foreigners? Bakong Pinay?
Ano po,
Ano sabi?
maghanap po sinda itong mapagmahal po.
Ah,
Itong ano ito, hanap po na itong may respect baga.
so,
Kahit sindang alagaan.
so foreigners should look for a Filipina that are loving, respectful, and someone who could take care of them too. Okay, okay. Why do you think most of Filipinas they couldn't take care of foreigners?
Minsan po kay ang hanap ninda is ano baga, itong kwarta.
Oh, it's because she said that mostly Filipinas, they're only after the money of the foreigner. That's why. What's your advice to foreigners seeking a Filipino wife?
For me po, kailangan muna nilang ma-meet yung babae or yung kanilang nagugustuhan. Kailangan puntahan muna nila dito, halimbawa dito sa Pilipinas. Kailangan ma-meet nila personally para mas makilala ng maigi.
So she said that if they met a Filipina, they should come here in the Philippines so they could, he could know her better. What's your advice to foreigners seeking a Filipino wife?
Um
Ano ba yung advice sa inyo?
yung humanap sila ng mga Filipina na worth it na hindi sila sasayangin yung kung ano mong pagmamahal na ibibigay nila.
So she said that they have to look for or find a Filipina that is worth it, that they're not going to waste their love. Okay, what do you mean by worth it? What kind of a Filipina?
Yung mga Pilipina na like hindi yung mga habol pera lang gano'n.
So Filipinas that are not after your money. What's your advice to foreigners seeking for a Filipino wife?
Don't trust Filipina easily po, and know her know her first know her first so that they 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 don't take advantage of you.
That's beautiful. Know her first so they won't take advantage of you. Do you think a lot of Filipinas are taking advantage of foreigners?
Not all,
Not
just just a little, I think.
Some of them.
The greedy for money, just like that.
Greedy Filipina for money. Do you know anyone like in person, like a friend, family?
No,
No.
I don't know. Maybe I just saw them in online, like video,
Like Facebook?
yeah, tap and TikTok.
What are the types of Filipinas should foreigners avoid? Ano ba dapat ang klase ng Pinay na dapat iwasan ka mga foreigner?
Yung mga ang hinihingi yung lagi pong hingi ng mga pera, tapos mga
parang ano, pineperahan lang nila yung mga foreigner.
Those kind of Filipinas that are, they keep on asking money from the foreigners and they're just, they're just after their money. That's it. Okay. That's it, right? No more?
Yes.
Okay. Do you think Filipinos are really like that?
Hmm, maybe yung hindi naman po lahat.
Not everyone. Okay. How about you? What are the types of Filipinas should foreigners avoid? Ano ba dapat ang klase ng Pilipina ang dapat na iwasan ninda?
Ano, mukhang pera, tsaka
Greedy when it comes to money and
tsaka ano pa ito?
that's it, right?
Yes.
How about you, Be?
Manloloko po. Siyempre manloloko.
Cheaters. Okay. Are you college, Be? Both of you? They're shy to speak English, like very, very shy. They're not confident. What are the types of Filipinas should foreigners avoid?
Yung mga ano, tawag dito, yung mga Pinay na mapagsamantala like sa ano, kasi hindi naman yun maiiwasan like sa pera, 'di ba? Yung mga Pinay talagang mapagsamantala yun, literal po na mapagsamantala yung mga ano.
She said that foreigners should avoid Filipinas that are taking advantage, especially when it comes to money. Because she also said that literally Filipinas are really like that. Like they take advantage so they could have money. What are the types of Filipinas should foreigners avoid?
Ano po, yung simple lang, yung
Ano ba dapat ang klaseng Pilipina ang dapat nilang iwasan?
yung ano po, yung mga mukhang ano, yung mga habol lang, yung pera, gano'n.
Filipinas that are, after their money. Why is that, Be? Why is that a lot of Filipinos are actually saying that, Filipinas are only after their money. Do you think Filipinas are really like that? Like they're very greedy when it comes to money?
Meron din na ibang Pilipina na yung habol gano'n, ta's meron din yung ibang Pilipina na hindi yung iba, hindi yung ano.
So there are some Filipinas that are like that. They're after their money, but there are also Filipinas that are not. What are the types of Filipinas should foreigners avoid?
Yung nami-meet po nila online tapos nagtitiwala lang agad-agad.
Oh, so those Filipinas that they met online and then you said that the Filipina trust them easily, right? Okay. She said that the Filipinas that they met online and then they kind of trust them easily. So foreigners should avoid those kind of, Filipinas. Okay. Why do you think they should avoid those Filipinas that trust them easily?
Nagtitik lang po sila ng advantage like money lang po talaga yung habol nila, gano'n.
Because they're going to take advantage of you and they're only after your money. Oh,
Ano po, ang minsan kadalasan kasi is may mga asawa po yung mga ano,
Pinay.
mm.
Okay. And most of the time, those kind of Filipinas, they have, husbands here in the Philippines. Where is the best place for a, foreigner to find a good Filipino wife?
Para sa'kin po, dito po sa Bicol.
Why Bicol?
Kasi po, kilalang-kilala ko na po yung mga taga Bicolano and then, kahit po ako sa sarili ko sabihin ko po na hindi po ako manloloko na ginagamit lang po mga foreigner.
Okay. So she said because she knew Bicolanas and her for herself, she doesn't even, she wouldn't even, what do you call these? Like, scam foreigners, right?
Yes.
Would you ever date a foreigner, like in the future?
Yes po.
Would you ever, like in the future, would you ever move or consider moving abroad to be with your partner?
Yes po.
Wow. And which country would you like to, to move to?
USA po.
USA. Where is the best place for a foreigner to find a good Filipina wife? Saan ba sila makakahanap ng magayon na, ano yun yung parang good Filipina wife?
Philippines.
Where in Philippines?
Camarines Sur.
Camarines or Bicol. So do you think foreigners should come here in Bicol so they could have or they could find someone that is good, like a good Filipina?
Yes.
Yes. And how about you, Be? Where?
Siyempre dito, Tigaon.
Tigaon.
Bicol.
Why Tigaon?
Siyempre maraming ano, magaganda.
She said that there's a lot of beautiful women here in Tigaon. Where is the best place for a foreigner to find a good Filipino wife?
For me dito sa like province, sa mga provinces.
Provinces.
Oo. Kasi yung mga babae madalas dito yung mga babae hindi gaanong unlike sa ano, sa mga city, sa mga kilalang mga city, ang mga tao or yung mga babae masyadong mga ano, mga tawag dito, mga yung mga oo, gano'n.
Okay. So she said, the Filipino women, especially those province girls, they're completely different from those who are from the city. So you have to come here in the province, right?
Yes.
To have a to meet your good Filipino wife. Where is the best place for a foreigner to find a good Filipino wife?
I think dito sa ano, dito sa probinsya or kahit saan naman lugar basta yun lang talaga, humanap lang talaga sila ng tamang tamang babae na hindi sila gagamitin sa kung ano man.
She said here in the province, but it doesn't actually like, like anywhere actually, she said, but she said first province and then second is anywhere in the Philippines anyway, as long as the foreigner knows that, she is the one, like she's worth it, right? She's not after his money like that. Okay. Let's say in the future, would you ever consider moving abroad to be with your partner?
Ano po,
Yes or no?
um, maybe yes.
Maybe yes. Where is the best place for a foreigner to find, a good Filipino wife?
Um, taga-probinsya po, province. And mga traditional na babae gano'n po para kasi ang yung iba po kasi is like kapag may respeto po sila like yung nag-ano sa traditional, itong nagpa-follow po sa tradition is yun po yung mga tamang tao at
So she said, province girls because you can find like traditional women there, right? In the provinces, and they're the ones who actually following, traditions. And yeah, right? You said
like,
traditions.
nagpapakasal po sila ay nagsama po sila bago po sila magsama is nagpapakasal muna.
She said it's because most of Filipino women from provinces, before they live together, they get married first. So that's why if you're looking for a Filipino wife, a good Filipino wife, go to provinces, right?
And know her first.
Don't
Know her first.
know her first. I'm just curious, would you ever date a foreigner like in the future?
Yes, of course. That's my plan and that's plan po namin yan ng best friend ko po kanina.
That's her plan in her best friend. Her and her best friend's plan to marry a foreigner. Okay. Okay. What's the oldest age you would date?
Like 5 years gap.
5 years gap. 5 years older than you, right? Like that. Okay. Let's say, would you ever consider moving abroad? Okay, like in the future, to be with your partner?
Yes, of course.
Hmm. Okay. Okay, let's use you as an example. This one. How would a foreigner be able to connect with you for a potential relationship? Like, for example, the foreigner wants to talk to you, wants to be with, he likes you. How can he connect with you?
Um di pa ako the truth is di pa ako nare-relate sa mga arrogant but maybe Instagram or
Instagram.
other dating app.
Are you on dating app right now? May we know what dating app you're using?
Mif.
Oh, that's my first time to hear that. Meef. Okay, so she's on dating app, which is Meef, and Instagram. Okay. Anyway, thank you so much, Bisalamat. Thank you so much. Okay lang. Alat lang text. Off mo.
connection